The English Setter is one of the most elegant and graceful sporting dogs in the world. Developed in England more than 400 years ago, this breed was created to locate game birds across open countryside. Its name comes from the way it sets or crouches low when it detects birds. This natural hunting instinct remains strong even today. The English Setter has a lean yet muscular body, long legs, and a deep chest. Its silky, feathered coat gives it a distinctive appearance, but beneath that beauty lies stamina and endurance. Built to cover large areas of land, the English Setter moves with smooth, flowing strides. It combines speed with careful precision. Beyond hunting, the breed is affectionate, gentle, and highly social. It forms strong bonds with its family and generally gets along well with children and other pets. The English Setter is not endangered and maintains a stable population worldwide. Elegant in appearance, yet driven by instinct, this breed represents beauty shaped by purpose.